Visla Community. Today, let's dive into a new way to create AI-generated videos on the go. Mobile users can now create videos with text scripts, blog URLs, and audio files directly within our app. For the content marketers, easily create explainer videos, repurpose your blogs, and create short-form content to stay on schedule while also responding to industry trends. Let me show you how. Open up the Visla app and click on the AI button at the bottom. Similar to our web experience, you can now select from a menu of input options. For idea, tell our AI about your desired video and it'll generate it for you. With text, add your script and decide if you want Visla's AI to rewrite it. For blog, input any URL to create a video based on the content of that web page. And with audio, import a file from your Visla library and decide if you want Visla's AI to curate the audio file. Pro tip, tailor your video further using the prompt bot. Tell our AI what aspect ratio you want, the intended platform, the pacing, tone, etc. Once your video is ready, there are a few things you can do to enhance it. Adjust your footage, change the voiceover, and update the background music. Easy editing within the app. Being on mobile means you can generate, export, and upload your videos to any platform without switching back and forth between devices. Streamlining your video marketing workflow. Download the Visla app to try it out. And if you're new to Visla, check out our previous videos to see how you can use Visla's AI video generator for all of your marketing and business needs. See you soon!